Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a brick oven. First, you'll need to lay a solid foundation. This crucial step ensures stability and longevity for your oven. A concrete slab, at least 4 inches thick, is ideal. Make sure it extends about 6 inches beyond the oven's planned footprint on all sides. This provides ample support and prevents future settling, giving your oven a strong start for many years of delicious cooking. Next, construct the oven's base, which will support the cooking chamber. This can be built with concrete blocks or a brick structure, reaching a comfortable working height, typically around 40 inches. Insulate the hearth with a 4-inch layer of perlite or vermiculite concrete to retain heat efficiently. Then, carefully lay fire bricks flat on top of this insulation, creating a smooth, durable cooking surface for your pizzas and breads. Now for the heart of your oven, the dome. This is built using fire bricks, carefully mortared together to form a strong, heat-retaining arch. The oven opening should be about 24 inches wide and 16 inches high, allowing easy access. Maintain a consistent dome shape, as this is vital for even heat distribution and efficient cooking. A well-built dome will hold heat for hours, perfect for slow roasts or multiple pizza batches. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and the crucial curing process. Apply a 2-inch layer of ceramic fiber blanket over the dome for superior insulation. Then, cover this with a protective render or stucco finish to shield it from the elements. Before cooking, cure your oven by building small, gentle fires over 3 to 5 days, gradually increasing the heat. This removes moisture and strengthens the structure, preparing it for years of delicious meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.